Today on Tommy Bird, we will soak a duck.
Remember that story about a cat and Vaseline and a tomahawk?
Yeah, and put it in the...
It comes with a duck!
Oh, fuck! Get away from me! Careful, guys. Anybody got a bucket of water, seriously?
Hold on, let me load. Should we put this in here first?
Hold on.
Hold on a second. Guys,
No. Don't put that in there.
More stupidity, seriously. Give me some water.
I don't know where there's water.
There's a faucet back there.
Where is it coming out?
Oh, that's why.
There we go.
Damn. He soaked the fucking thing. Okay.
No, I'm standing right here.
Hey, back here!
Look, it's peeing.
It pissed itself. We got Patrick over there in the backyard.
Up there.
Yeah.
Stupidity before safety.
Right
Now,
here.
hold on here. I don't want to be blamed for shit.
Alright.
He gets on my teeth.
Shove a firecracker up Duck's ass.
Take camera.
Here, no, somebody else has to take the camera because I'm the water bucket guy.
Okay,
I'll
Thomas, take the camera.
I'll be
God.
Give me the lighter.
I light it.
You guys are
I like
fucking insane!
No, I light it.
I light.
This is gonna be funny, dude.
Run! He lights it! Fucking run!
Way back here.
Everybody stand back, seriously.
Oh, fuck, no.
Whoa! 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 Is it going off?
I don't know.
Boom!
Oh!
Boom!
Duck? Anybody ordered a duck today?
Roast duck.
We can have roast duck today. You know what? Fuck it.
Watch it go off.
Bah!
Wow!
Duck went fucked up.
Why is
Wah,
it
wah,
going
wah.
through me?
I don't know. Maybe the thing melted. Watch out.
Watch it.
No, let it burn. Just let it burn out.
Oh my god, thanks, dude.
It's kind of smoky in here.
I'm sure those little balls that are inside that thing where they say
go
do
ahead,
not
put
hold
it
on,
out.
hold on. Where they say do not eat. I'm sure you're not supposed to inhale them either.
Put it out.
It's still on fire.
Whoa, look it. The fire's on water. The water's on fire.
The water's on fire. I gotta get this on camera.
Okay, whose stupid idea was it to soak it in gas?
John did.
Yeah, it was gonna be funny enough with the sparkler.
Why is it still burning?
Because it's two-stroke.
No, it's normal gas.
Is it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna say oil burns a lot longer than.
Oh wait. Thomas, stand back.
Why?
Because I have this weird feeling we're going to hear a boom.
Jesus Christ, it's still burning!
Hurry.
Damn.
Jesus Christ! It's still on fire! You're getting this shot on Tommy Bird, right?
Don't.
Are you fucking insane? It's still on fire! You saw? I got a camera. That's fucking awesome.
Hey, John.
We're taking care of
Yeah,
it.
she's working. Doing.
Watch yourselves.
Hey, she's doing.
What did you just do? Watch.
She's doing that right now.
Why is it still burning? It should have been out.
Where's
by
that
now.
fucking ball? Did you put
It's on there.
The fuse didn't like for some stupid reason. Watch, I need room.
It's
There it is!
Whoa!
That was good.
One popped right by my head.
Fuck.
And watch, it lights back up.
Nope, it's dead. Until John gets another lighter. How did that thing go off? I set it off. I think it's dead.
This is Mr. Duck. Which is now Mr. Fucked. Fucked up.
This concludes yet another episode of
Tommy Bear!